My mind rambles while exploring back roads through older America. Join me, leaving Buenos Aires National Wildlife Refuge, headed east on a gentle drive over rolling hills. Well, until Interstate 19. On the damn freeway. Okay, back on pavement here, the Arivaca-Sassabee Road. Still heading east. That was an amazing stop. Amazing little walk. I love when stuff like that comes together. Okay, but I got several other places I would like to get to today, and it is already 10:30 in the morning and getting warmer by the minute. Dump. Is it open? The dump is open, so you could get rid of the rest of this garbage. Hey, I'm going for the dump. How fun is that? Arivaca, sure enough. Wow, cute little town. So Arivaca Lake to the right. I think we have to go to the left towards Tucson. Neat place. Wow, what a fun little town. Murals on the buildings. Artsy fartsy. Oh, the Mercantile. They sell propane. Sadly, they're closed. The food place is closed. How fun is this? Nice little town. Cool. Looks like they do a farmer's market here. Wow, two churches, a Catholic and a Baptist church. See, the fire truck is out. That's cool. They actually have a fire department. People living out here in mobiles and such. They even have a library. I love it. They have a library. This sounds perfect. I could live in Arivaca. A mishmash. I see Ocotillo out there, mesquite along the road, along with those nasty thistles that are beautifully bloomed in magenta. Yeah, lots and lots of fairy duster still blooming. If you see patches of pink, light pink pretty much, they're on their way out. Sure glad there's not much traffic on these kinds of roads because I'm a lollygagger looking all over the place. Shoulder narrows. There was a shoulder. Oh my gosh. It's a border patrol is what it is. Oh good. Okay. So we just get to scoot through the border patrol. Have a good day. So this has got to be, yep, Marimarca Junction. There's quite a few little places along here. The freeway. How sad. I do not want to drive on the freeway though. I want to go south, but I don't want to take the freeway. I would like to do, here we go. Yeah, there you go. I want to do, oh, the Juan Bautista de Anza Amado Trail. This is the frontage road. Yay, we're on it. Yay, cool. Much better than the freeway. Pushing me at 65, 75 miles an hour and still being passed like nobody knows what's this. I don't want to have to get on 19. Please don't make me get on 19. Maybe there's a frontage road on the other side. Or I can just keep going, right? Yeah, I can just keep going. Oh, yay. Whoops, no outlet. No. Okay. If I go on the other side of the freeway, there might be a frontage road on the other side of the freeway. Looking good though, huh? Pavement ends. Well, sadly, my frontage roads are not an option right now, so briefly anyway, I'm going to get on this Interstate 19 south. Sign, that's what I want to see. Presidio State Historic Park, exit 34. Right, the Presidio Trailhead. So, kind of fancy looking here for State Park. Oh Lord, it's pretty damn commercial looking actually. Whoa, very, very commercial looking right there. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Lone Mountain Turquoise Company. Wow, this is a regular tourist trap here. Good God. Yeah. Really isn't good places for me to park here in this cute little tourist town with its colorful storefronts, galleries. Okay, we got jewelry and cachinas and pottery, sand painting, and all kinds of cool looking stuff here that I have no need for. Do not want to stop for. Finally, after we are done with the tourista stuff, okay, I see. 9 to 5, and this is where you go in and you have to pay, right? Well, being it's almost noon, I think I see a school group down here in the picnic area, so we don't want to get involved with that. Parking here is not great for a rig my size. The town is a tourist ripoff, which I do not need anything at. So I think we'll pass. Back on the frontage road, headed south. On the east side of the Interstate 19. So we'll mark that one off the list. That was number 2. But we're definitely going to number 3. Coming through Carmen. where there are older homes on each side of the road, burnt out, and a lot of them empty. You know, the thing is, this is another case of we've got frontage roads that were original roads before the interstate was built, and so that means these little burbs actually had some things going for them, not just these amazing looking buildings that are all empty, falling apart. You see the Park Service sign. Whoa, don't block in front of me, please. That's an out only. Here we go. Oh, some cool buildings already. Look at that. In the camper, open the windows, get something to eat, fill my water, and then head into Tumacácori National Historic Park and find out how to pronounce the word.